What's going on? Bill DeWeese, Pro Voice Talent and Voiceover Career Coach. One of the things that I'm very thankful for in my own life that's been instrumental in helping me to build a successful voiceover business is the sales experience that I gained along the way. Starting back when I was just a kid and I sold flower seeds out of a catalog going door to door. As I think back, I don't even remember what possessed me or motivated me to do that, but it's something I did. And when I was a little bit older, I was about 12 or 13, I took on two paper routes. I would deliver papers in the morning before school, and then I would deliver another one of the local papers in the evening after school. And then when I started my broadcast career and my very first job, one of the things that I did, in addition to writing commercial copy, working on the air, was I sold airtime. And then later on, I worked in corporate sales as well. And I'll be honest, sales was not easy, especially for me as an introvert, but it really taught me a number of things that were very helpful. But the two things that, and if you have a background in sales, I think you'll relate to this, that really translates into building a voiceover business. And there's more than this, but here's two things that stand out. One thing is that you really have to overcome your fear. And there's a number of things I could list what those fears are when you're in a sales situation. But overcoming fear, and we all carry a number of fears with us. And sometimes it's just good and healthy to have to face those and deal with those. The other thing is it really built resilience and toughness in me. And it taught me not to take things personally, not to take no personally. And even if you don't have a formal sales background, chances are you have some sales experience. Have you ever had to try to sell an idea in your within your job, maybe to your employer, your boss, or maybe a colleague? Maybe you're a school teacher who's had to sell your students on the idea of paying attention in class. Maybe you're a parent who's had to sell your kids or your spouse on doing certain things with you or around the house. I mean, I could go on and on and on. Oftentimes we think of sales as only those people who have worked in a formal sales environment, but the truth is we've all, in some way, shape, or form, have had to be in a situation where we've had to sell our thinking, our ideas, to try to gain cooperation or in an attempt to serve other people by offering something that we had that they would benefit from. Well, I would like to help you take that background, those experiences, and build upon that to help you build a successful voiceover business and voiceover career. And to that end, I am doing a webinar this Wednesday evening, Wednesday, September 4th, 2019 at 7 p.m. Central. And we're going to talk about going from sales or taking what you've learned from sales, your background in sales, regardless how big or small it may seem to you. And we're going to build on that. And I'm going to help you learn how to build a successful voiceover career and how that experience can be very, very useful for you. So I'd love for you to sign up. I'd love for you to be there. It's absolutely free. It's not going to cost you anything. You'll have a chance to ask questions. But it's happening again this Wednesday night. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so that you can sign up. And I hope to see you on Wednesday night so you can learn how to take that background and your experiences in sales, regardless of what they may be, and use that to build a successful voiceover career. Talk to you Wednesday.